Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
What up to my trulies? I am Lee Talia, also known as Lily Yours Truly, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new, and hey to my babies if you are true. You guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I installed this easy, simple closure unit. The unit pretty much already came ready, but of course, I bleached the knots and washed it, so I had to go back in and flat ironed it. But you can take this unit out the box and just apply some foundation or whatever color spray you put to the lace, and you'll be good to go. I am absolutely in love with this color. It has this little skunk stripe or skunk patch, whatever you guys like to call it, with this like really cute brown textured hair. I'm just really loving it. I love the blonde streak. Y'all know I love streaks of any color anyway. But this unit pretty much took me like 10 minutes to put on, if that, not even 10 minutes, because it was already done. So maybe even 5 minutes. You just take it out the box. The lace is really good. Like, get into this lace. You can't, because it can't be found. That's what I'm saying. So y'all, please go ahead, check the description box, and go ahead and stay tuned for the remainder of this video.
I'm feeling high. My money's gone. I'm all alone. Too much to say. The world keeps turning. Oh, what a day. What a day, what a day. Need the blessings manifest with every lesson learned. If your knowledge were your wealth, then it would be well earned. If we were made in his image, then call us by our name. Those intellects do not believe in God, but they fear us just the same. Oh, no, no, no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, no, no, no. Gotta stand and have a sing my song. $3 and 6 dimes. Yeah, you may laugh, 'cause you did not do your math. Like 1, 2, 3. Damn, y'all feel it? Oh, like 1, 2, 3. The world keeps turning. Oh, what a day! What a day! What a day! But then I know something, knows that he knows nothing at all. Does it seem colder in your summertime and hotter in your fall? If we were made in his image, then call us by our name. Those intellects do not believe in God, but they fear us just the same. Oh, no, no, no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. No, 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 no. All night to go. Oh, no, 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 no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. No, 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 no. Bad box to the God.
Alright baby, so that is the end of this video. Get into it. I know y'all seen it at the beginning, but I actually just took my little flat iron through here. I used the cheese silk infusion oil, just like a dime size drop of it. I used my hot comb to flatten it out. I used the bowl hold liquid gold to kind of adhere it down, but it's not really like down. I just put one thin layer across it because I don't want it to fly off or anything. I'm finna go on a little day today. So yeah, this is the look. I'm absolutely in love. Y'all know I love Alipearl hair anyway. I've been working with them for a long time, for some years now. So yeah, go ahead, click the links down in the description box. I pretty much explained everything in the beginning about how I could have just took this out the box and put it on my head, but it does make it look 10 times better when you bleach the knots. So if you are experienced in bleaching knots, then go for it. If not, you can take it to your local stylist and have them bleach the knots for you. I was going to cut it because this unit is kind of long. Hold on, let me zoom out and I'll show y'all. I was going to cut it, but I chose not to. I just took my flat iron and kind of like bumped the ends like this just to make it look cute, and it comes down like this. So yeah, this is the look, y'all. This is it. Your girl finna go have a good day. It's Friday, so happy Friday, and I will see you guys on the next video.